morning, Group 52. In the book of Acts, chapter 2, we read about a church where those who had land and houses would sell their possessions, bringing the money to the church so that everyone in the community would have their needs met. This means that in a healthy community, there's an opportunity for you to have your needs met. But if you don't show up, if you don't get plugged in, if you're not a part of that community, how can you have your needs met? And it's not enough simply to receive, but ask yourself, what can you do to meet a need within your community? What can you give to your community? So this week, Group 52, search your life. Take a look at the things that you need. See if the community you're in plays a role in filling what's lacking in your life. Check to see if there's anything you can give to those around you, helping you fulfill purpose in your life. Because if not, there's a chance you may not be in the right place, and it's never too late to get plugged in. Thank you, Group 52. God bless you, and have the best week of your life.